guys, what's up? So today I've got in my little Half Magic hair barrettes because we are going to be opening up a Half Magic Beauty package. Let's jump into it. A little disclaimer, Half Magic Beauty did send me this package to try. All right, you guys, so inside this package, we have the Half Magic Beauty Forever palette. This is a recyclable magnetic palette. And here is the outer packaging. Let's open it up. Take this little sheath off. And here is what the palette looks like. It is empty at the moment, magnetic, and it has a huge mirror on the inside. I also have 5 of the duochrome eyeshadows here that they were kind enough to send over. We have Electric Butterfly, Unicorn Core, Blushing Lizard, Mermaculate, and Swamp Goddess. I absolutely love the shade names. We are going to open each one of these up, swatch them, and place them inside of our Forever palette. I'm also going to be creating a look for you guys using these shadows today. Okay, so what I absolutely love about the Half Magic Beauty shadows is they come in these little recyclable, compostable cases. And then you open it up and inside is your beautiful shadow. And since these are compostable, you can literally just place them into your houseplant and watch them compost over time. I have tons of houseplants, so they are going to definitely love to break this down. These are vegan and cruelty-free as well and have a buildable velvety formula. This is the shade Electric Butterfly. I am going to go ahead and swatch this for you guys. And that is what it looks like right there. One swipe swatch. So, so beautiful. So let's pop this out and place this into our palette. Next, we have the shade Swamp Goddess, and she looks a little something like this. So, so beautiful. Let's go ahead and swatch. Wow. Oh my gosh. One swipe swatch, you guys. That is absolutely stunning. Next, we have the shade Mermaculate, and I actually already own this shade, and it is so, so pretty, you guys. Look at that. Wow. It is so stunning. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Next is Blushing Lizard, which I also already own. This went viral, you guys. This was their #1 best-selling eyeshadow. It is so, so gorgeous. Of course, it went viral. Absolutely stunning. It kind of reminds me of the MAC, like I think it's called Blue Green. It is so, so beautiful. So stunning. And last but not least, we've got Unicorn Core. And she looks a little something like that. Beautiful. These are absolutely stunning. Cannot wait to get these on my eye, and I also cannot wait until Half Magic Beauty releases more of these. These are so, so beautiful. And the camera does not even do these justice, you guys. These in person are just so blinding, so beautiful. They're so, so stunning. This one right here is showing more pink in person, and on camera, it's kind of like just giving you the reflect version of it. These are just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So there is our Forever palette. Okay, so we are starting out with Unicorn Core. I am just taking some of that on my flat brush and going to apply this right here in the corner of my eye and blend that back. My eye already looks like it's got shadow on it, and that's because I thought I was filming and I wasn't, so I had to wipe it all off and start again. Now I'm going in with Mermaculate, and that is just gonna go right next to Unicorn Core. And then to finish up that lid, I'm going in with Swamp Goddess and just blending that with Mermaculate. So we've got a nice, beautiful gradient of those duochromes. So pretty. Now I'm going in with my Half Magic Flick liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to create some swoops and graphic liner. I am taking a little bit of Blushing Lizard and applying that right in here, as well as right in this area. Then I'm taking Electric Butterfly, and that's just gonna go right in this area. It is also going to go into the inner corner and be dragged down to that lower lash line area. Adding a little Half Magic mascara. This is in the shade Urchin. Well, that is the final look, you guys, using the Half Magic Beauty Duochrome eyeshadows. Let me know down in the comments below what shade was your favorite. Do you like the OG shades, Mermaculate and Blushing Lizard? Or the 3 new duochrome shades, Unicorn Core, Electric Butterfly, and Swamp Goddess. I just want to say a big thank you to Half Magic Beauty for sending me these products to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.